guys, welcome to Dakota Adventures. Today we are going to be getting into some motorcycle stuff. I recently had a oil leak on my in dual sport, and it is a 1987 Yamaha TW 200, and yeah, I had an oil leak on it. I tried patching it, so we're gonna see if the patch dried, and we're gonna see if it holds oil. If it does, we got loads of moto vlogging to do and more adventures. So after I drink my coffee, I'm gonna pack up my camera gear and we're gonna go on our adventure and see what we can get into. Don't know what I'm doing today yet, but other than seeing if the TW can hold oil, and if it does, maybe we'll take it for a little spin. So stay tuned for that. I love fresh brewed coffee. This guy right here, he's the man. John Wayne. Duke. It's a great coffee mug. I love it. One of my favorites. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Oh, by the way, did you guys notice anything new today? Because I sure did. This guy got his hairs cut. Yes, he did. Yeah, I guess I decided I was looking a little scruffy, so I decided to clean up a little bit. So, yeah, and I love it. I feel clean, fresh, and ready to go. Let's get to that adventure. All right, guys, here is the TW. I know it looks kind of all in pieces right now, but there's some of the parts. I basically is what I did is I took this whole cover off and checked out the seal, and it was leaking down here because the seal was broke right here on this side. So and then we patched it. I let the stuff dry, and we're gonna try and put some oil in it. See if it leaks. Alright. So, wipe that off. So hopefully that seal is dry. And then also I cleaned up the carburetor. Looks pretty good for 1987. Pretty clean. I kind of adjusted the float because I was having a float problem as well. So let's go grab a funnel and put some oil in it, see if it leaks. All right, I got my funnel. And your oil spout is right here. So I'll take that cap off. And stick that in right there. And I grab my oil. Alright, we'll see if this stuff works. That's weird. Plastic. Really, guys? Well, here goes nothing. Drink up, Mr. T-Dubs. Gulp, 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 gulp. And there's a little eyeglass window right there. You can see what your oil level is. But for that, I need a light because I can't see in the dark. It's a little dark for me. All right. Let's see here. I got this piece of wood to prop it up because when my kickstand broke off and I re-welded it too straight up and down. So let's see here. Oh, not quite. All right, put some more in. Looks like my oil level is spot on right there. All right, well, let's see here. Oops. That's right where it should be. All right, well, put the cap back on. I'm gonna lean it this way just so the oil, so I know it's not gonna leak, because the leak was on this side. Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna get to work on the carburetor. I'm gonna put a little time lapse on that. So let's get to work. Back together. Let's see if she starts. Cross your fingers. No gas leaking. I think we got her. Smells a little funky, but I think it's just because that's the first time it's started all year. Well, since I haven't ran it for like 2 years, so we'll see. Alright guys, we're gonna take her for a little test drive. Well, I hope my mic is working. Woo! It's a little chilly out. Oh, I love that brand new tire. That's awesome. Let's go in some deep snow. She's running pretty good. Except I need a fender. See if we can make it through here. Wow. Alright. Well guys, I hope my audio is working, and I'm going to cut her out right here. See you on the next one.